Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M12 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now click on advanced features, click on one-handed mode and tap on the switcher to activate it. From here you have two ways to reduce your display size with. You can pick gesture or button. I will go with buttons. I have to tap on this option and follow the instructions. Double tap the home button. As you can see, one-handed mode is now turned on. If you want to change placement of your screen, click on this icon over here. And if you want to go back, tap on the black area. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, just tap on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!